Good afternoon to all. Today, I, the host of AWM TV show Sagar Singh Jala, is present with today's experts. And today, we are gonna discuss about the tragedy that took place in Ahmedabad, the flight crash about Air India. So let's begin. How was your journey, guys? Was it good? It was good. So Harshita ma'am, starting from you, ma'am, don't you think that because of this accident, the reputation of the company Air India will go down?
Sir, it is little bit it affect the Air India lines, and because the tragedy is not like if there is in destiny, so it happened. Not it is the accident not predictable, na?
Yes, ma'am, you are right. Accidents are not predictable. But still, ma'am, tell us that what can be the reason of accidents, mainly in kind of situations?
There are most of reasons like the engine fail or the oil is not like proper,
And
and the overload one of the reasons.
okay.
And now you see we found the black box which tell us that what is the accurate reason behind the plane crash. And our UK government, US government are also investigating about this incident. And listen that the Tata Group is decided to give insurance to each family who lost their members. They are giving 2 crore and all whatever. And it is very painful that to lose someone. It is not predictable that the passengers who are traveling the flight they lost and their family members lost. So it is very emotional. And we can't say that we know the how it is feel because we don't know. But we have to ask them that who lost their friends, who lost their family members.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me overview. Coming to you now, sir. Our question is, what could be the cause that the plane crashed under 30 seconds?
Sir, because of the engine failure, and I think that it crashed into the 30 seconds.
How, sir? Can you explain it?
I can't blame to anyone because still here it got crashed, and it would be their mistakes also.
Okay, thank you for giving your opinion, sir. Coming to you, Manoj sir. So, Manoj sir, what do you think that what was the main reason of the accident?
As my colleagues already told you about the reasons, and one of her reason that she mentioned that it might be overload, but the Air India that flight Boeing 787 that the capacity of that plane is around 790, but in the plane the number of passengers are around 750. So it not be possible that overload we can predict. So if we have to predict anything that might be engine failure and mechanical failure, then the question arises here: how the mechanical failure and engine failures we are seeing. So we saw a video that you all have also seen that in that video the two things are very clear, crystal clear that what within 30 to 60 seconds the plane was crashed after he taken off from the highway. So within 30 seconds it's not possible that anything happens, but mechanical things are that much sensitive. If one wire is also not in his place, so it might be cause a very dangerous crash that you have already seen yesterday. And about mechanical failure, it might be caused because of the quality of fuel and the lack of the those people who checks the oil. They might have not given that much attention to the oil. The main thing is the carelessness of the mechanicals who are posted there. And the other thing is, after the black box, as you already noticed, under research, and still the black box is not open in front of the peoples, then everything will be in front of you how the accident took place. And
Thank you, sir. I would like to agree with your opinion. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Naman sir, for coming in our show. We will know the reality after the opening of Black Box. Stay with us and